ready to send money abroad with ease right from your phone. Let's get your Remitly account set up in minutes. First things first, we need the Remitly app. Head over to your device's App Store, a circumflex euros. That's the App Store for iPhones or Google Play Store for Android in the search bar. Type Remitly and tap the search icon. You'll see the official Remitly app. Simply tap Install or Get and let your phone do the rest once it's downloaded. Tap to open the app. Now that the app is open, look for the option to sign up or create account. This is where we'll start building your profile. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Make sure it's a password you'll remember, but isn't too easy to guess then. Tap Continue or Next. Next, enter your personal details, including your first and last name, and your mobile phone number. Remitly will likely send a verification code to your phone, so make sure you have it handy. Enter that code when prompted to confirm your number. You'll then be asked for a bit more information to verify your identity. This usually includes your date of birth, your current address, and your country of residence. Fill this in accurately. To send money, we need to link a payment method. Remitly typically allows you to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Choose your preferred option. Carefully enter the required details for your chosen payment method. Double-check everything to ensure it's correct before proceeding. And just like that, your Remitly account is created and ready to go. You're now set to send money internationally directly from your mobile device. Welcome to seamless international money transfers with Remitly on your mobile.